most important is the data queues. So every one of these pieces of equipment on the tower, they're very important. And all of our customers want to know about them. They want to know where they're located, what the dimensions are, what the orientation is. Another part of our post-processing exercise is to put three-dimensional data queues around all of this equipment. And we get every piece of equipment, not just the antennas, not just the radios, every piece of equipment at that level gets queued, because that's where our data is. The first thing we do when we capture that data is we're building a database with all of that information in there. So with that back-end database, we've got all of your equipment cataloged, laid out. We can run reports with it. But as you collect that information on thousands of sites, then you can start running reports on that data, and not just looking at an individual site, but running portfolio-wide analysis reports to see what's happening on your portfolio, or searching for a particular problem or open lease space or whatever the case may be.